Hi, this is Dorothea with IEI Tax Pros and True Horizon Insurance Solutions. I'm going to quickly show you how to access and download your Form 1095-A from healthcare.gov. First, go to healthcare.gov and log into your account using your username and password. Once you're logged in, select your 2025 application from your dashboard. From there, look for a section labeled Tax Forms or 1095-A Forms. If you see a Form 1095-A listed, great, go ahead and open it. If you do not see a form listed, it may mean you did not have marketplace coverage for that year, or the form is not available yet. In that case, you may need to contact the marketplace for further assistance. Once you open your Form 1095-A, download it as a PDF. As you save the file, please take a moment to note the name of the document and remember where you saved it on your device. This will make it much easier when it comes time to upload your document. Once you've downloaded your 1095-A, return to the secure upload link I provided and submit your document there. If you have any questions or run into any issues along the way, feel free to reach out. I'm happy to help.